now let's just check it and make sure that it comes down the right. It's about in the middle of the nostril. It's about the middle of the nostril there. And this point will be straight across here like this. And this point right here at the plane at the front of the nostril, the right side of the nose here will come about right here on the nostril here. So all we have to do is come down like this and belly out like this to find the front plane of our nose. And now we want to find the extent of the socket that the nose fits into, where the eye socket begins, and it comes to about here like this, and it is about a little less than a nostril's length above this point here, over here like this. And let's just pull the wing out like this, and this point here will come back to a line like that. And now let's pull this up here like this and find this angle here like that. Let's see. I got to pull this out just a little bit further. All right, now we want to find the top of our alar wing on the right side. The apex of that curve is right about half, a little less than a half between here. And from the top of the nostril to the top of the alar wing is equal to, a hair less than the nostril width. So let's come up here like this with the two cross here is where the alar wing has its apex. And this point here is a little less than half, and it's about half the distance between these 2 points here. So all we have to do is come to this point here like that and pull the alar wing down. Let's pull this in here like this, get our drawing a little bit more accurate. And now let's come in here and draw the ball of our nose. This, if we ran this line straight down, it would come to about this point here. So let's just pull it down like this. And this point right here is about a little less than a half of the width of the nostril. And this point here comes to about here like this. So let's just bring this plane down like this. Bring it over here like this and down like this and across like this is the plane for the bottom of the nose, and this plane is at a right angle. And now let's find the other side of the plane like this. Bring this up here like this, around, and form the ball of the nose here like this. I think we got this just a little bit too high here. Let's see. 1 and a little more than a third. 1. Well, that's about right. This is just a little bit high on this side then. And now let's find this plane on the side of the nose here. Bring it in like this. And it does not exceed this point here. At this point here, it starts coming out to form the plane on the side of the nose. Come out here like this. And we have the plane on the side of the nose like such. And now let's just come in here and draw the construction for this dark pattern in here like this, and pull our shape doesn't come out beyond this point here, and it's about half between here and here, so here's about where we're going to go, like that, and down like that. And we want to get the definition of the planes of the nose here, so let's pull the value up here like this, and now let's put the cast shadow in, which will come down like this, and let's put this cast shadow starts about the middle of the septum. So let's come over here like this. And now I start this cast shadow here like this, and the cast shadow will come about from here to here. It looks like it's a little more than a nostril's length from the top there, like this. So it'll come down about here like this. And let's just come over here like this. This is the apex of the curve right in this area here. So let's just bring the cast shadow around like such, and put the light value in here like that, and pull our value up here like this for the shape of our septum, and then we bring our value up here like this, and the value in here like this, which will form the shape of our alar wing going on the other side. And then we get the highlight in and right in here. And that is the construction of a nose. Now, students, I will give you the reasoning for lighting. If we will just zoom in on that head there, and so that we can get just the face part of it. There we go. All right. Now you can see from the